Uh, Alright, team, let's open our weekly sync for Sprint 1. We are recording this document, our pipeline velocity for deliverable report. To keep our Scrum process clean and direct, let's evaluate our progression through the three core questions. The first one is what has been completed? Second, what is the current active in development? And the last question is what blockers we are facing. Umar, let's start with our updates for the product owner pre-positive. And let's start with question one. What has been completed?
To the backlog management side, our core features for Epic 1 are fully prioritized. Technically, I have finalized and closed task number 28. The SQL relational database schema architecture for routines and its associated tracking tables is fully mapped, indexed, and committed to the main branch.
And on the topic of the front end, I have completed and closed task 31. The core exercise shares model, the UR, overlay, and the component is fully responsive, completed with the local arrays and filtering the hooks we planned.
And to round out the completed stack, I closed task 35, the up-level deep linking configuration. Parameters are fully registered within our environment configuration, meaning the schema successfully encrypts external executions. Question 2. What is the currently in the progress?
I'm currently driving task number 34. I'm refining the utility class responsible for obfuscating or auto-incrementing database primary keys into secure URL safe day 62 tokens for our sharing feature.
For me, I have two tasks active right now. Task 29, the dynamic multi-feed routine builder from form layout is actively being styled. Additionally, task 36, the system share sheet clip to clipboard backup integration has been pushed to the stinging and the current flag flagged as ready for test.
For my active task, I finalized task 32, which handle the silent side duplicate name provision logic using clean regex matching. It's sitting it ready for test waiting for our peer reviews later today. And the last question we have that any issues or blockers.
Not technical blockers on my front end component. I just need a quick design validation review from the team once the layout styling on task 29 we wraps up hopefully tonight.
For me, I had a minor dependency blocker on task 30 regarding our API endpoint routing logic, as I was waiting for the exact JSON schema formats for Musab's front-end forms. However, now that our database table and visual models are settable, I'm completely unblocked. I will pulling that into development tomorrow morning.
Perfect. It looks like our sprint velocity is right on track with our burn down trajectory. Let's make sure we log into Taiga immediately following this call to transition our ready for test items to the production pipeline. If there's nothing else, I'll stop the recording here.
Thank you for watching.